Which is orangier? The purpose of today's lesson is to compare the ratio from water to orange. It is important for astronauts to stay hydrated. The problem is that astronauts do not like the taste of water on board shuttles because of the harmless byproducts produced. So they add Tang to make the water taste better. Since powder will flow everywhere, Tang engineered special tablets to mix with the water. Here are recipes of 8 astronauts. We're going to denote a white tablet as water and an orange tablet as Tang. Take a minute to pause the video and see what do you notice and what do you wonder. We're going to compare Zach versus Trey. Zach likes, for every 1 water tablet, he puts in 2 Tang tablets. Trey, water compared to Tang, likes 2 water tablets for every 3 Tang tablets. Take a minute to pause the video and complete the tables for the correct ratio of water to Tang for both Zach and Trey. So if we have 1 to 2, the next recipe would be 2 to 4. You'd add another water tablet. Since we have 1 water to every 2 Tang, 2 waters would have 4 Tangs. 3 to 6, 4 to 8, 5 to 10, 6 to 12, 7 to 14. Trey, I have 4 to 6 would be the next recipe, 6 to 9, 8 to 12, 10 to 15, 12 to 18, 14 to 21. Those are all equivalent ratios to Zach and Trey's preference on their water to Tang ratio. Your job today is to determine which recipe is more orangey. We're going to talk about orangey as the color orange. Which one would have a more darker orange color? I would like you to make a claim, either Zach or Trey is orangey, and then find evidence in the 2 tables to back up your claim. Please pause the video here to find evidence. One piece of evidence could be here, where Zach has 3 water to 6 Tang, and Trey has 4 water to 6 Tang. They have the same Tang, so we can compare the water. Since they both have 6 tablets of Tang, this one has an extra tablet of water, which means it'll be a little bit more diluted, making Zach orangier. Another piece of evidence could be Zach has 2 water for every 4 Tang. Trey has 2 water for every 3 Tang. They have the same water, so we would compare the Tang. This one has an extra tablet of Tang, which would make it orangier. These are comparing part-to-part relationships. So my claim is Zach is orangier. Evidence. Three water for every 6 Tang versus 4 water for every 6 tang. This is a part-to-part relationship showing that they have the same tang value, but this one has more water, so it's more diluted. It will be less orangey. We can also compare this as a part-to-whole relationship. So 2 to 3, that means I'm using 5 tablets. 6 to 4 would be 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Here, 1 to 2 would be 3 tablets, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. I can see on this step right here, they are both using 15 tablets. So they have the same total. So this would be a part to whole relationship. "10 tang to 15 total" would be evidence versus 9 tang to 15 total would be another evidence. You can see here this has more tang, so it'll be orangey, more orangey. Using this knowledge, you can complete the other 3 comparisons, starting with Sargento and Eliza. Complete the tables, make a claim, and write your evidence.